Hello kids. A very good afternoon to everyone. Here is a question. Construct 60-degree and 120-degree using compass. As we all know, here we have the compass, right? And it is going to be used for constructing the angles like 60-degree and 120-degree. Although we can construct it by protractor also, but here, as the chapter is playing with construction from Ganit Prakash from class 6. So let's learn how to construct 60 degree. First of all, let us understand the rough figure. So, rough figure. Now, an angle will be drawn, and as you know, this is 90 degree, a rough figure. Okay. Suppose name of my angle is ABC. This is 90 degree and it will be less, 60 degree will be less than this. So this is going to be 60 degree and let me name it as ABC. Okay. And if I have to construct 120 degree, so it will be more than 90. So like this, we can say 120 degree, X, Y, Z. But we will be constructing it together. Let's do it. So kids, I will be drawing a ray, and as from the rough figure you can see BC, so I will be naming it as BC. Now from B as a pointer, we will take any radius from the compass and we will be drawing an arc from pointer A. Now we will be naming that pointer as X on BC. Then taking pointer X, we will be drawing another arc with the same radius on the previous arc. Then we will be joining it. Let that intersection point be Y. Now please join B and Y, extending it and name it as AB. Now you can see 60 degree angle is ready. Now let's start 120 degree angle. Let's say Y and Z. I will be taking any radius from the compass. From pointer Y, I will be drawing an arc like this. Let us again name it as A. Now from pointer A, I will be drawing another arc as we do for 60 degree. Then from pointer B, I will be drawing with the same radius. Please focus, with the same radius I will be drawing another arc. Let's say C. I will be joining C and Y like this. You can see here. Fine. Now this is going to be 120 degree. Fine. Thanks for watching. Do practice.